Practice problem 9. Here, students can choose to work out the two brackets first. The first bracket, 3 multiplied 4, give you 12. And then the second bracket give you 1 over 30th. We can change division sign into multiplication. Then multiply the reciprocal of the second number. So we have 12 multiplied the reciprocal of the second number, which is 1 over this whole thing, which would be 30. Okay, we'll continue to go to our third part. Define new operations. Here we're going to give two examples. The first one, we have A multiplied B equals to 3A plus 2B. And for example, if A equals to 4, B equal to 5, then we would follow this rule. Then A multiplied 3, this star sign give you 3A plus 2B if you have the two numbers. So then you carry this out, you get this. What happens if you have B star A? The star operation always give you this. So now B star A is gonna get you 3 times of the first number plus 2 times of the second number. Instead of 3A plus 2B, now B star A give you this. So the trick for this one is you have to recognize this is the first number, this is the second number. So you reverse it, give you a different answer. Practice problem 12. A at B. This operation, this at operation give you twice the number of the first number, A, plus the second number. Now, if we plug in the numbers, 99 is now the first number, 1 is the second number. This operation gives us twice the first number plus the second number. So now the students can carry this out.